Money is a crucial aspect of our lives, but managing it effectively can be a daunting task. It's not just about making more money, but also about using it wisely. Whether you're struggling with debt, trying to save for the future, or simply looking for ways to improve your financial health, there are numerous strategies you can employ. In this article, we'll explore 9 powerful tips for boosting your financial well-being and achieving your goals. From prioritizing savings to cutting costs and increasing income, these tips will help you take control of your finances and create a brighter future. 1. The 30 days rule. Do you often find yourself making impulse purchases, only to regret them later? The 30 days rule may be the solution you need. This simple trick involves waiting for 30 days before making a purchase, giving you time to reflect on whether the item is truly necessary or just a passing desire. By giving yourself this cooling-off period, you can avoid emotional buying and save money in the long run. 2. Eat before shopping. Have you ever noticed that you tend to make more impulsive purchases when you're hungry? This isn't just a coincidence. Research shows that hunger can actually affect your decision-making and cause you to overspend. By eating before you go shopping, you can take control of your appetite and make more rational decisions about what to buy. Not only will this help you avoid impulse purchases, but it can also save you money on snacks and other non-essential items. So next time you're planning a shopping trip, remember to fuel up before you hit the stores. 3. Name your savings. Setting financial goals is important, but sometimes it can be hard to stay motivated when the end result seems far away. That's where naming your savings can help. Giving your savings account a specific name, like Dream Vacation or Emergency Fund, can help you visualize and connect with your financial goals. Seeing the progress you're making towards your goal each time you add money to that account can be incredibly motivating, and can help you stay on track towards achieving your financial objectives. 4. Save first before spending. Spending money on things we don't need can be tempting, but if we want to establish a stable financial future, we need to prioritize saving over spending. Automatic transfers to our savings account can help us develop a habit of saving and put us on the path to achieving our financial objectives. These transfers ensure that we set money aside before we even have a chance to spend it, building our emergency fund and securing our financial future. With this mindset, we can overcome any obstacles and stay on track towards reaching our goals. 5. Make a list of your needs. It's easy to get carried away with non-essential purchases while shopping, especially when you're with friends or family. To avoid overspending, it's essential to stay focused on what's important. Creating a needs list can help you do just that. When you list the items you need, such as groceries or household essentials, you prioritize your spending and avoid distractions from non-essential purchases. This way, you can stay within your budget and ensure that you have enough resources for the long term. 6. Use real money instead of credit cards. When it comes to paying for purchases, many of us default to using a credit or debit card. It's convenient and often comes with rewards and bonuses, so why not? However, using cash can actually be a more effective way to save money. When you use cash, you're forced to physically hand over the money and see how much you're spending. This can create a greater sense of awareness and accountability for your purchases, making it easier to resist impulse buys and overspending. Plus, when you limit yourself to the amount of cash you have on hand, you're more likely to stick to your budget and avoid racking up credit card debt. 7. Track your spending. Keeping track of your spending can be a powerful tool for saving money. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you're overspending and make adjustments to your budget. This can help you stay on track towards your financial goals and ensure that you're using your money in the most effective way possible. Whether you use a budgeting app or simply keep a notebook, tracking your spending can be a valuable habit for anyone looking to save money. 8. Make a list of your wants. Creating a list of your wants can help you find ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses and save money without sacrificing things that you enjoy. It's possible to achieve your financial goals without completely giving up the things you love. Whether it's finding ways to enjoy your hobbies more affordably, cooking at home instead of eating out, or simply buying less clothing, being mindful of your spending and prioritizing your needs over your wants can help you achieve long-term financial stability. 9. Cut costs and increase income. Increasing your financial health isn't solely about cutting down expenses. There are various ways to expand your income, such as taking up a part-time job, seeking a salary raise, or monetizing your talents. Alongside increasing your income, you can also try reducing your costs by finding ways to lessen your bills, renegotiating your loans, or downsizing your lifestyle. These strategies can be combined to create a robust financial plan that leads you to long-term success. Remember, your financial health is a journey, not a destination. It's important to continue practicing these strategies for boosting your financial health in order to maintain a secure and stable future. By making a commitment to cutting costs, increasing income, and prioritizing your spending, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your long-term financial goals. Don't let financial stress hold you back from the life you want to live. Start taking action today and watch as your financial health and overall well-being flourish.